Making equal width buttons in WordPress is simple, whether you're using the Gutenberg editor, classic editor, or custom CSS. Equal width buttons are especially useful for creating a neat, uniform look across your website. Here's how you can achieve it. Using the Gutenberg block editor, open the poster page. Go to Posts, Add New or Pages, Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Add buttons using Button block. In the Gutenberg editor, click the plus sign to add a new block. Search for and select the button block. Create multiple buttons. After adding a button, click the duplicate button icon to add more buttons, ensuring you create multiple buttons on the same line. Adjust button width, select all the buttons, and in the block toolbar, choose the group block. Now, they'll be displayed with equal width. Using custom CSS, go to the customizer, navigate to Appearance, Customize Additional CSS. Add custom CSS code. To make buttons equal in width, paste the following code. Save changes. Click Publish to apply the changes.